Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I will show you how to turn any of your photo into a beautiful Studio Ghibli styles animations using an app called DreamFace. It's super easy, totally beginner friendly, and the best part, it comes with a free plan so you can try it right away. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your DreamFace app. If you don't have it yet, just go ahead to the Play Store and then just install it. And once it's installed, just open the app and log in using your Google account. And don't worry, DreamFace will give you a free package with weekly credits so you can test it out without paying anything. It's perfect for beginners. Now that you're inside the app, just head over to the home page like this, and then you will see different tools. But in this tutorial, we will use magic effects, so just tap on it. And here you will get a variety of fun animation styles, and from here just scroll to the list until you find Ghibli. This one, just tap on it. This is the effect that turns from your photo into that classic soft dreamy style that you know from Studio Ghibli movies. Next, just simply choose the photo that you want to transform. And then just tap on confirm. And after that, just hit create. And okay, like this, in just a few taps, and your photo can look like they come straight out of a Ghibli movie like this. And honestly, it's super cute but cool at the same time. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.